Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and exposing the chip. This matters because paint must bond to bare metal or primer. Once done, sand edges smooth with 600-800 grit so the repair won't show. Make sure to degrease with 70% isopropyl and a tack cloth. Now shake the touch-up bottle for 1 to 2 minutes, test on paper, and apply thin 1/2 coats. Don't glob paint, so layers level and dry evenly between passes. You build the finish in layers because thin coats reduce runs and improve color match. Patience matters. Once the first coat is dry, add another thin layer, following the kit's dry times, and feather into surrounding paint to avoid a ridge. Make sure to use a fine brush and small strokes for control. If bare metal was exposed, primer first, 1 light coat, cured fully. This sequence helps adhesion and creates a smooth surface for clear coat. You finish by sealing with clear coat. Apply 2 thin passes and allow full flash time so solvents escape. This gives glossy protection. Once cured, wet sand with 1,500-2,000 grit to level irregularities, then polish using a rubbing compound, followed by a finish polish for shine. If you see color mismatch or orange peel, don't panic. You can recoat or carefully blend edges, but if the defect persists, consult a pro for a respray. This prevents wasting time on endless fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.